If it's pink, it must be Langham. I think of pink taxis. I think of the pink party in Hong Kong some years ago. But look, actually there's lots of color here. I'm in room 850 on the club floor of the Langham Huntingdon in Pasadena. And it's a beautiful day. There are 23 acres of grounds out there, and I'm going to have a 2-hour tour this afternoon. Whoopsie, there goes. After the incredible storms of Tokyo, it's quite something to see this greenery. The hotel was Ritz-Carlton before, and there are still lots of elements of Ritz-Carlton about it. The furniture in the room, the colors in the room, and look at the bed head. It's a long time since I've seen a proper wooden bed head like that. Big comfy bed and lots of drawers. People used to bring many more clothes, I think, in the past. They certainly think that I'm going to be drinking a lot, need a lot of water. Oh good, a very easy temperature control. Heritage, always a good thing. Now let's come into the bathroom. Big surface surround, excellent. The blinking diptych, really. I am going to have to start taking my own toiletries around. I do not like diptych spouts that they don't expel enough. Fairly easy shower control. The shower is over the bathtub, which actually is an advantage because it means that the bathtub is generally shallower, easier to get in and out of, and there's a rail. Therefore, if you're in there, you might as well have a shower. It's going to be funny now, away from Japan, getting used to unheated toilet seats, but that's my life. And here I am looking out across beautiful, friendly, warm room at Langham Huntingdon Beach.